How to fix your connection was interrupted error in Chrome. 1. Restart your Wi-Fi router, if any. 2. Run IP protocol configuration /flushins command as admin. 3. Run the following commands, as admin: netshare int IP reset netshare winsock reset 4. Clear Chrome's cache data. 5. Disconnect your system from any active proxy or VPN server. 6. Try a public DNS server. 7. Update network drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 8. Reset your Chrome browser.